Tips for logical reasoning questions. Try looking at each piece individually. It may take you a few attempts to figure out exactly what the pattern is, but you're far more likely to crack the code working methodically than intuitively. A useful way to break down a confusing sequence is to approach it from the end first. What patterns or consistencies can you see in the multiple choice shapes you're given? This will often lead to a breakthrough for tricky questions where a conventional approach has proved unsuccessful. Look for major and minor patterns. In most logical sequences and matrices you'll have both a major and a minor pattern. The major pattern will be fairly easy to spot. Don't choose the answer right away though. Make sure you fully understand how each component progresses before you move to the next question. Sometimes two pieces are working together. If the pattern doesn't appear right away and you can't figure it out by looking at one piece at a time, then check to see if two pieces are working together. It's possible that one piece is following the movements of another piece, either moving horizontally or vertically. Break a complex pattern down and avoid distractors. Some logical reasoning test patterns look difficult when you first see them. A difficult-looking question can hit on your confidence, and it's vital you don't let this mentally weaken you. Remember that often there are shapes and colors that are in the sequence merely as distractors to make the question to look harder. Orientation, size, shade of color, symmetry, angle, location and direction of both inner and outer shapes. Study carefully. Remember, look only at one element at a time. Practice beforehand. Nothing will boost your chances of success more than practicing real-time logical reasoning tests. Being comfortable with the format, structure and general nature of the test will help you relax and ensure you perform to your maximum. Most logical reasoning tests last for around 40 minutes, and it's essential that you manage your time carefully. Scan ahead and see how many questions remain in the test. This will help you gauge how much time to allocate for each question. It's hard to develop innate passive skills, but it isn't impossible. Manipulating shapes mentally can be difficult. But if you spend time practicing, you will see an improvement.